Good morning, traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So we are continuing in the range that we were in yesterday. We're still battling with this major level here, which is one. I suppose we should actually just round it off to 133.20. That's probably an easy one to remember. So it's 133.20 is the level that we're battling with, and you can see how we've been battling with it for a number of months, actually since July. So it does look like we are starting to win the battle and looking for a move to the upside. So there's been 3 green days. Problem is, we have a close on a high, we gap down, close on a high, gap down. So that's kind of been the story. The important part here, though, is it does look like it's rounding. Okay, and a rounding bottom, you can also immediately start looking for your head and shoulders. There's your shoulder, there's your head, there's your shoulder, and that 133.20 is the neckline. So that is the line in the sand. That's what we're looking to break. We break that, retest it, I think you have a fairly strong move to the upside bring. So it is something that you need to keep your eye on at the moment. You can't take your eye off this ball right now. Okay, so most of yesterday was sideways. Had to move down and then sort of sideways, and then the US markets rallied pretty hard from just before the open to finish flat, because they were down quite far just before the open, and then they started rallying. So I suspect a similar move today. I expect a bit of a consolidation, or probably a little bit of a swing low, and then another move up. Remember, for the euro, for the DAX at the moment, we've got lots of Brexit noise, which could be influencing this, as well as the US markets. Okay, so we're waiting for stimulus in the US. There's a lot of COVID noise in the US as well, and we're waiting for vaccine noise as well in the US. So on the political front, I think it's gone a little bit quiet, with Trump still not conceding, but I think most markets have actually gotten over that at the moment. So most traders are just over that, and probably unfollowed him on Twitter as well. So I think the key things here are COVID, vaccine, and then stimulus package. Those are the 3, and Brexit. So those are the 4 things that you need to watch on the markets today. Any noise in any of those areas, you are going to see a rally or a fall, depending on what the noise is about. So for me, I am still patiently waiting for this level to give. So it's 133.20. Once it's gone, come back and test it. That is the area I'm looking to get in long on the DAX. Okay, so until that happens, we will sit quietly and wait in our corner, and we'll come out punching as soon as we get confirmation. It does look pretty promising, and your first target is going to be 160 points. Okay, from this level of 133.20 up 160 points, that is the first target. Once that's in place, then you need to start looking for your previous highs. Okay, you've got these, you'll have this tail here. I don't think that's been tagged. Let's just check it. Just short of it. So that's going to be your first target, which will be 13468, and then you have these 2 extended levels here, which is 13690 and then 13867. Okay, so that's what I'm waiting for, and I expect it's going to happen soon, possibly even today. If it doesn't happen today, then what you can expect is a move down back to the bottom of the range, and then move back up. But I don't think, my gut is just telling me that this trend line is probably the new trend line that is going to start forming. So even if it does drop down, I expect it to come into that area there before finding support and moving back up again. Okay, anyway, that's what I'm waiting for that break and retest, and then we are long. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.